If you're looking for a quick and easy way to press flowers, you should check out the Microfleur Max. I've had mine since 2019 and it has been such a handy tool for my flower pressing. What you get are the 2 outer plastic platens or plates, 2 felt pieces, 2 washable cloths, and 4 clips. The process is a quick and effective way to press and dry floral blooms and leaves while retaining their color and shape. It's designed to work with most microwaves. The typical way I use my microfleur is with small flowers. I will trim them close to the stem and gently place them between the 2 claws. I then place them in my microwave and begin the 3 heating bursts at reduced power. I find that 20 to 30 seconds at 40 to 50% power works well. After each burst, I'll check the flowers and their progress. The flower color may darken or change slightly, and reducing the time and power level will prevent burning on delicate blooms. So if you're looking for an expedited method for pressing flowers, I highly recommend the Microfleur Max. It's been a game changer for me and my floral art projects. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.